Good morning. Activity 2, verb to be moment 2 and verb tense. My name is Rosalía Franco Ramírez. My teacher is Alejandro Ariel García Arriaga. The Edward White applies to most people regardless of weight, dietary restrictions, preference, or ethnic origin. However, it doesn't apply to children under 2 because there are different nutritional needs. Between the age of 2 and 5, children should gradually move to eating the same foods as the rest of the family in the proportions shown on the Eat Well guide. In this diet, it shows us the correct way of how we have to feed ourselves, and this is present in 5 servings variety of fruit and vegetables every day: potatoes, rice, bread, carbohydrates, preferably whole, and milk of soy preference. Eat beans, legume, fish, egg, not greasy meats, and very important to drink 6 to 8 glasses of simple water. Moment 2. Answer the following question of the Eat White. What is Eat Well White? The Eat Well diet means eating healthy and achieving a balanced diet. It's well we should consume more fruits and vegetables, less red and processed meat and dairy products with important health benefits for the population. This prevents type 2 diabetes, prevention of cardiovascular disease and colon cancer. Question number 2. Who is the Eat Well White intended for? For all types of people except children under 2 and 5 years old. What are the groups the Eat Well Guide is divided in? 3 diets: fruits and vegetables, legumes, foods of animal origin, cereals. When is used the Eat Well Guide? When we make the decision to eat healthy and not eat away from home. What are the specific recommendations for each group? Many vegetables and fruits as much as possible raw and in shell due to its higher content of vitamins and fiber. Fruits or vegetables in approximate proportion of 35%, cereals or tubers in a proportion of 35%, food of animal origin in a proportion of 10 to 15%, legumes in a proportion of 20%. Sufficient cereal, tortilla, whole wheat bread, pasta, rice, or oatmeal, preferably whole, combined with legumes, beans, lentils, beans of chickpeas, cereals, the main source of energy in the diet, if they are whole, they contain the dietary fiber. By combining cereal with legumes, the quality of the vegetables protein is improved. Few foods of animal origin prefer fish or chicken with skin to pork, lamb, kid or beef. Consume skim milk to avoid excessive consumption of saturated fats and cholesterol. What about daily hydration? We must consume at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day to be well hydrated. This can include milk, coffee, juice, and smoothies. What about food labeling? Food labs can help you to choose within foods and to pick those that are lower in calories, fat, saturated fat, sugar, and salt, where color-coded labels are used. You can tell at a glance if there are high, medium, or low in fat, saturated fat, sugars, and salt. How many calories per day a person over 11 years old needs? Male should consume 2.500 kilocalorías. Female should consume 2.000 calorías. Thank you.